Preparing for a math exam can feel very overwhelming, but with the right study techniques, you can go into your exam feeling prepared and confident. As a university math professor with over 25 years of experience, I've seen firsthand what works best for students. In this video, I'm going to share 5 key strategies that you can follow to study effectively and go into your exam with confidence. Let's get started. The first step is to gather all your materials in one place: your textbook, your class notes, any quizzes, exams, or homework that you've done, or any other materials that you've used throughout the course. Having everything together also ensures that you don't miss any topic that might be on the exam. Take a few minutes right now and organize your study space. I think you'll find that it'll be well worth it. Next, review your class notes. Break them up into manageable sections and don't try to tackle it all at once. Focus on one section at a time. If your class notes don't contain all the information that you need, look at your textbook and focus on the key topics. Condense your notes into a summary with the main ideas and critical details. This condensed version will become your go-to review guide as you study. Don't forget to write down all the formulas, definitions, procedures, and theorems that you need to know for your exam. A procedure is just the steps that you would follow to solve a particular problem. Writing all of these down will help you later when you go to memorize them. Memorization is one of the keys to success in math exams. You want to start by understanding the logic behind the formulas and theorems. Don't just memorize them blindly. If you understand why they work and where they come from, you'll be able to remember them much more effectively. Flashcards are a great tool for memorization. What I would suggest is that you write the name or concept on one side, and then on the other side, write down the definition, procedure, theorem, or formula. As you're studying, use these flashcards regularly to test yourself. That way, you'll begin to memorize the formulas gradually, and you won't have to cram it all in at the end. Repetition is the key to locking them into your memory. Now it's time to review example problems. These will come from your class notes, your textbook, and any other materials that you've used throughout the course. Start by reading the problem carefully and understand what it's asking, and then study the solution process. Write down the steps that you would take to solve the problem. This helps you understand not just the solution, but the process of getting there. Focusing on understanding the reasoning behind each step will help you tackle similar problems on your exam. The final step is to work through practice problems. You can use problems from your class notes, your textbook, any previous homework, quizzes, or exams, or review problems that your instructor might have provided you with. It's really important to start by solving these problems on your own without using any flashcards or materials. If you can't do a problem on your own, look back at your class notes or your textbook and learn how to do the problem. But then, what you need to do is do more problems like that, because the key is to be able to do these problems all on your own without using any materials. The more you practice, the more confident you're going to feel on exam day. If you follow these 5 strategies, I think you'll find that you'll be very prepared for your math exam. Remember that consistency is the key. You need to review thoroughly and then just do lots of practice problems. Good luck on your exam. You've got this. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.